Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to add hyperlinks, bookmarks, and cross-references in Microsoft Word. These tools make your documents interactive and easy to navigate. I'll show you each step clearly, so you can follow along right now. Let's begin with a simple web link. First, select the text you want to turn into a link. Now, press Ctrl+K. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box will appear. At the top, you can change the text to display. And in the address box, type or paste the website address you want to link to. Click OK. Your text now becomes a clickable link. To open it, just hold Ctrl and click the link. That will open the web page in your default browser. There are also a few alternate ways to add a hyperlink. You can right-click the selected text and choose Link or Hyperlink. Or, go to the Insert tab and click Link from the ribbon. All these methods open the same dialog box. Now, let's create an email link. Select the text, for example Sales Department. Then press Ctrl+K and choose the email address option. Type the email address, for instance, support@example.com. Word will automatically create a mail-to link. When someone clicks this link, their email program opens with the address already filled in. You can even include a subject line. This way, the subject field will be pre-filled in the new email message. Now click the linked address by holding Ctrl key, and the link will the default mail program. You can see the address and subject fields are filled already. Next, let's link to a file on your computer or network. Select the text, press Ctrl+K, and choose Existing File or Web Page. Now browse to the file and click OK. When clicked, the link will open that file directly. However, here's an important warning. If you send this document to someone else, local file links might not work for them. To share safely, upload the file to a cloud service like OneDrive. And link to the cloud URL instead. If you want to learn more about OneDrive, you can watch our OneDrive playlist. Now, let's see how to add a bookmark inside your document. Place your cursor where you want the reader to jump. Go to Insert, then click Bookmark. Type a short, simple name for your bookmark, without spaces. For example, End. Click Add. You've now created an anchor point inside the document. Next, let's link to that bookmark. Select the text that will act as the link. Press Ctrl+K, then choose Place in this document. Scroll down to the Bookmarks section. Select the bookmark you just created, and click OK. Now, when someone clicks that text, Word will instantly jump to the bookmark location. And that's how you add hyperlinks, bookmarks, and internal links to make your Word documents dynamic and user-friendly.